Itua ria gucokia wira marigitari 38 ni itua rihumurite marigitari aya hamwe na kiama kiria kimarugamagirira kuona ihinda-ini ria mwaka umwe makoretwo magietha kihonia kia ndugamano yao na thirikari ya kaunti ya Laikipia. Ndugamano ino yakiririo makiria ni mugomo wa marigitari aya aria mathingagiriria thirikari ya Laikipia ihinge mabataro mao umwe kuongererwo mishara kuria thirikari yaugire ndiari na mbeca, nao marigitari aya makingathiria wira magitiga wodi utheri nao makifutwo wira na hau ndugamano yao ikioya mwerekero ungi.
Caused us to be on the strike in 2019 was the non-implementation of the CBA. This matter was forwarded to the Public Service Commission by the Labour Industrial Courts on 25th of October last year.
No na thutha wa komishoni ya wandikani kwaga gitumi kiiganu kiao gufutwo wira-ini ni thirikari ya kaunti, komishoni ino yathite matikaheo mishara ya ihinda riria mararugamitio wira no macokereria ni meguthie na mbere na kurihwo.
We are really grateful to the Public Service Commission for restatement of this doctor. They resumed their jobs on 15th. That is now they've been at work for 2 weeks.
Bado hawajaweza kurudishwa katika payroll na tumeseek directives kutoka kwa tunarudi kotini.
Kiama giki kiugite gitietigithia thirikari ya Laikipia nginyagia cokia marigitari aya itari-ini ria kwamukira misara.
The county has not yet embraced the doctors by sending them into the payslip, and therefore we have filed a case against that decision, and we expect this to be expeditiously done, so that by the next one or so week we'll have a direction from the court regarding the adoption of the decision of the PSC.
Thutha wa maya mothe kiama giki kiugite no giguthie na mbere kuhinyiriria thirikari ya Laikipia kuhingia ngirimiti iria yaiguanirwo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Titagwo Winnie Kimani.